Hey guys, Rafferty Refined here, everything you need to refine your skills as a chalk painter. So with the past couple of videos, we've been going over 2021 color trends and how they apply on furniture. So far we've covered neutrals, boho, creative jewel tones, and now for our grand finale, we have the modern mid-century contemporary house and all its beautiful colors and furniture glory. Let's get started. Just a quick recap. This is a huge industry shift because all these major paint companies are on board and coming out with all these cohesive colors, which means these colors and trends are intended to stay for a long time. So if you've been wanting a change, now is the time to do it. So whether you are painting as a home project or for your business, this is something you're going to want to stick around for. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. So as we've been learning, these 2021 colors have been heavily inspired by nature. So one might wonder, how can a modern contemporary house have that nature-inspired theme? Well, they have a brilliantly pulled colors from the sea. So we have a lemon, we have lilac, a dark gray, and turquoise, along with our coordinating colors. So this is such a beautiful palette and something we can really get creative with on our furniture. So now we have all these wonderful, beautiful colors, and what can we do with these colors when it comes to our furniture? So whether it be you like to paint neutrals or with some color, we have some great options here. Let's dive into this color palette a little deeper and go over some coordinating colors and see how this actually looks in a room. So here are the main primary colors on the wall, looking beautiful and lovely. And then we can take note of what they're using to incorporate those neutral complementary colors on the furniture and accessories. So here is the color palette for those, and you can really pull from these color swatches and see exactly how this applies in the room. So basically, if you have neutrals on your walls, you can just add a pop of that color on a piece of furniture and get your feet wet with something like that. So this concludes our 2021 color trending series. It was such a pleasure going through all these different colors with you guys. I really encourage you to just dive in and grab a paintbrush and, get going with something like this. We're spending so much more time inside, inside our houses now, and playing around with furniture and painting it at different colors and rearranging stuff and getting creative really ignites that spark of joy that sometimes we might just need to carry us through a day, a week, and really ignite a newfound passion even. So just really encourage you guys to give it a try, and I hope that I was able to provide some kind of valuable insight for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see me next week as I dive into more tips on helping you guys refine your skills as chalk painters. And while you're reading, don't forget to check out the other videos on this series. We have those neutrals, the boho, and those creative bolds. So go check those out, and I will see you next week. Bye everybody.